In this video, I want to take the time to show you how to connect your Android device to your Brother MFC-J1360DW, how to print and also how to get the scan results from here directly on your phone. Let's get started right away. The first step is to connect this printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your Android device is currently using. Let's go on the control panel over here. I'll show you how it is done. You're going to press once on this Wi-Fi button. Then you're going to select Find Wi-Fi Network and press OK. You may have to press the right side arrow to enable the Wi-Fi if it was not already enabled. Now you're going to have a few Wi-Fi networks presented to you. You can navigate using the up and down arrow. Select your Wi-Fi network in blue and press OK. Now it's time to type the password of your Wi-Fi. If your password has capital letters, you need to go on the lower left side, press OK, and everything will change to capital letters. If you have numbers, in that case, you need to select this icon over here, and it will switch to numbers. Press again, and it will switch to symbols. Now, once you have typed the password, go ahead and select OK and press OK as well. You're going to get connected. Then you're going to open the Play Store where you download all your apps. I'm going to search over here for the Brother app. The app that you need to download is, let me show you exactly this one, the Brother Mobile Connect. There is different Brother apps available for different printers, but the one that is compatible with this model is Brother Mobile Connect. So I'll go ahead and install it. Once you see this display, you're going to simply click on the skip button. I agree, press OK. Over here, we're going to press next. If we want to agree that this app will send us notification, I don't want that, so I'll press no. And now we're going to simply click the X button over here, press OK, and then select add your machine to the app. Select your printer. Okay, this is the one that we're currently trying to connect. Click the X button, and then you're gonna get this green check mark. At this point, select Exit Setup. It will bring you again on their website. They're just trying to sell you stuff. So we're gonna go back to the app. Let me just exit this again. And now we are on the main screen of this Brother app where you see your printer on the top and the different ink levels. Let me show you how to print. So I'll select print photo since this is what I want to do, but if it's a text file, you're going to select print document. This is not what I wanted, so I'll select photo print. Select the photo you wish to print. And over here, you're going to get a preview. What I suggest is you click this cogwheel and you make sure these details are actually okay. So are you printing on plain paper or photo paper? The paper size, borderless or not, and color or not, and quality. Quality, if you're going to print a picture, I select usually fine. It will give you the best result. If you're simply printing some text, normal is enough and it will print quicker. So over here, I'll press print once I'm done. Extend this. All right, let me show you how to scan. So as you see, this printer has two different scanners, an automatic document feeder on the top where you can put even 15 pages at the same time and they get scanned one by one, or a basic scanner. So if you want to use this basic scanner, let me get a document to put over here. You're going to place it facing down with the top part of the page towards the left side like this. And now we simply have to bring the top left corner of the page so it touches the top left corner of the scanner. Okay, just like that. Both are touching, you can close the lid. If you want to use the top document feeder, okay, imagine we have multiple pages. Actually, let me get some pages. All right, so I have over here, I think 4 or 5 pages. First of all, align them. And you're going to place them facing down again with the top part of your document towards the left side. If these tabs over here are in this position, simply push them to the extremities and then glide the paper in between them, just like that. Now, don't forget to extend this over there so the paper doesn't come flying off the printer when it's done scanning. Take your app and we're going to simply press on the scan option. It will automatically detect which one of these scanner is getting used, so you don't have to worry about that. You can simply select if you want in color or black and white, the document size and the resolution. Press scan to begin. And as you see, it will take page by page and scan them. So our 4 pages got scanned and you're gonna see them right over here. If you want to delete one, simply press the X button. Once you are done, press the done button. And by the way, if you want to add even more pages, let's say you have 100 pages you want to scan, well, place the new pages and press add, and they will all be one after another. But in my case, I'll press done. And now it's time to save this document. You have multiple options. First of all, you can change the name. This is the basic name they gave, but honestly, I suggest you give it a custom name simply by clicking this cogwheel over here. Tap on the top, and over here you will be able to edit, I don't know, type homework or something else, something that you'll remember. Choose the file type. So if it's a bunch of paper that you want to combine them in one PDF file, well, select PDF instead. And now you have these options. You can save it on your phone. So you can, over here, this is an Android, so I can go on my phone and select which folder I want the results to be saved in. Or, let me go back, select share, and then you'll be able to access your favorite contacts and also all the apps where you can share the scan. You can also click more if you don't see the app that you want to use. So this is about it. This is how you print. This is how you scan using your Android phone and your Brother MFC-J1360DW. If you liked my tutorial and you want to support my channel, I don't ask for anything apart that if you want to buy new ink for your printer or paper, check my Amazon links down below. I get a very small commission every time somebody purchases through them, and it helps my channel. It helps me continuing doing this. See you in the next one. Don't forget to leave a comment as well. I'm really wondering what you think about that.